Dog DNA test costs. What to know. As dog owners, we all want to understand our pets better, where they came from, what health risks they may face, and even why they behave the way they do. In recent years, dog DNA tests have become increasingly popular among pet parents who want deeper insights into their furry companions. But how much do these tests cost, and what do you really get for your money? Let's break it down. What is a dog DNA test? A dog DNA test works much like human DNA testing. By taking a simple cheek swab from your dog, the test analyzes their genetic material and compares it to a database of breeds. Within a few weeks, you'll receive a detailed report that can tell you your dog's breed mix, family lineage, health risks, and even sometimes personality traits. Average costs of dog DNA tests. The cost of dog DNA tests varies widely depending on the brand, the type of information included, and the accuracy of the results. On average, basic breed identification tests. These usually cost between $60 and $100. They're perfect for pet parents who just want to know their dog's breed makeup. Comprehensive tests, breed plus health screening, these range from $150 to $200 and include health risk analysis for genetic diseases, traits, and ancestry. Premium tests. The most advanced options can cost $250 or more. These tests may include detailed medical insights, family tree mapping, ancestry timelines, and even links to connect with dog relatives across the database. What factors affect the price? Brand and reputation. Well-known companies like Embark and Wisdom Panel often cost more but provide larger databases and more accurate results. Database size. The more breeds included in the company's DNA database, the more precise the results will be. Health screenings. Tests that check for hundreds of genetic health conditions are naturally more expensive. Extra features. Some companies offer family tree mapping, ancestry timelines, and even matchmaking with related dogs, which raises the price. Are dog DNA tests worth it? While some may see them as a luxury, many dog owners find these tests extremely valuable. Knowing your dog's breed mix can help you better understand their behavior, exercise needs, and temperament. More importantly, health screening tests can alert you to potential genetic risks such as hip dysplasia, heart disease, or certain types of cancer. Early detection means you and your vet can take preventative steps to protect your dog's health. For rescue dog owners, DNA tests are especially meaningful. Many shelter dogs are listed as mixed breed, and these tests can provide clarity, helping you tailor training, diet, and care to your dog's specific needs. Hidden costs to consider. When planning for a dog DNA test, remember there may be additional costs. Veterinary consultation. If the test reveals potential health issues, you may need to book a vet visit for further testing. Follow-up care. Some conditions might require special diets, medications, or treatments. Shipping fees. While most test kits include prepaid return shipping, some budget options may charge extra. Tips before buying a dog DNA test. Research the brand. Look for companies with good reviews and large, reliable breed databases. Decide your goal. If you just want to know your dog's breed, a basic test may be enough. But if you want health insights, go for a comprehensive kit. Check promotions. Many companies offer seasonal discounts, so keep an eye out. Talk to your vet. Before making health decisions based on DNA test results, always consult with your veterinarian. Conclusion. Dog DNA tests can range from $60 to $250 or more, depending on how much information you want. For some pet parents, the investment is worth every penny, especially when it comes to understanding health risks and improving their dog's quality of life. Whether you choose a basic breed test or a premium kit with health screenings, the insights you gain will help you provide the best care possible for your four-legged friend. Remember, a dog's DNA doesn't just tell a story, it can shape how you care for them today and in the years to come.